We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this fruit, as well as how to say more hard-to-guess food names. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce it both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as pomegranate. Pomegranate. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as pomegranate. Pomegranate in American English versus pomegranate in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more food names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.